Brr, what happened to spring? It's 34 degrees and it's April 8th. Today's adventure takes me to Winfield Township Community Park. There's a nice shelter, playground, and bathrooms. And this is also the site of the Winfield Township office. And today I'm going to get some exercise in on the walking trail. I just got off work and I decided to come here to walk. And this trail circles the perimeter of the park. And please clean up after your pet, because Saturday, April 12th is the annual Easter egg hunt. I think it's fantastic that the community comes together to put this special event on for the children. And it's all done by donations. The community donates the goodies and the plastic Easter eggs, and the residents at Concordia, they put the goodies inside the eggs. So let's pray the weather is nice and dry on Saturday. I think it's expanded to different age groups now because it's so popular. And they've been having it since 2021. So this is the 4th year. So if you have small children, check out the egg hunt on Saturday, April 12th at Winfield Township Community Park. Check the Facebook event page for times, because I'm not sure on the times. My kids are teenagers, so I don't really pay attention to that stuff anymore. Winfield Township is located in southeast Butler County. To the west is Jefferson Township, and to the east is Armstrong County. And also this is where the Winfield Township Maintenance Building is too. Looks can be deceiving because it looks like a beautiful spring day, but it's only 34 degrees with a dew point of 17. It looks like a spring day, but feels like a January day. There are some newly planted trees, and they have those coverings around the trunks. That way deer don't rub up against them. And the trail is crushed limestone, so it's perfect for all age groups and all abilities of walkers. Decided to come here instead of the Butler Freeport Trail because I don't mind be walking through the woods with this high wind. I just want a branch to come down on me. By the looks of the topography, it looks like this was a farm at one time. I can see the tree line straight ahead. Winfield Township is mainly a rural area, and the residents would like to keep it that way. So if you're coming to the Easter egg hunt on Saturday, please be respectful of the residents along Brose Road. Don't go speeding up the road. Things are starting to green up. And some areas had snow this morning. And along the trail, they have bags for pet waste. So please clean up after your dog. It's a beautiful sky today. Nice fluffy clouds. And I'm hoping this walk helps my lower back. I have a pinched nerve. So I'm hoping it works its way out. It looks like I'm going to be making an appointment with the chiropractor. If you need to take a break, there are benches located along the trail. And this one is sponsored by Mr. Furnace Filter, Heating and Cooling. And I try to promote these community parks because they are so important to the residents. I believe nature is good for the body and for the mind. And these parks provide exercise and recreation. And if you like this park, you may want to check out Harcrest Community Park, located in nearby Penn Township. It's at the intersection of 3 Degree and Brownsdale Road. And I did do a video in that park last year, so be sure to check it out. And also the Butler Freeport Trail is right down over the hill. And that trail starts in Butler and ends in Freeport, and it's a 20-mile bike ride one way. Down over the hill is the village of Cabot. It was settled in the mid-1800s, and the original name of the area was Carbon Black. And Cabot was also a stop along the Butler Branch Railroad, which is now the Butler Freeport Trail. I know if the trees weren't here, I'd definitely have a bird's eye view of Cabot. It's supposed to warm up later on in the week. Temperatures are supposed to be in the 50s. But I looked at the long range forecast and it doesn't seem to be too warm. I guess 50s and 60s are seasonal this time of year. Soon everybody will be complaining about summer. I will be honest, the older I get, I do not like the humidity. And I will say this trail takes about an average of 20 minutes to complete. So if you have kids or dogs, it might take a little bit longer. But just take your time. What's the hurry? Looks like there was either a tree stand or a tree house here. So this trail is excellent if you're not into hiking on the more rugged trails. Well, I've come full circle. I'm going to say the trail is about a mile. If you like the content, hit the like button, share the video, and feel free to subscribe. Thank you for watching.